Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to bring a chat to the top on TikTok. The reason why you want to do this maybe is if you have a cluttered inbox like I do, and you want to make sure that you don't lose a particular chat. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, then go down to the bottom toolbar and click on your inbox. Here you want to go to the top right hand corner and click on the airplane. Here are all of your chats. Find the one that you don't want to lose. We'll just choose this one for example. And then from this page, go to the top right hand corner and click on that three-dot menu. Underneath mute notifications, you see that it says pin to top. Go ahead and adjust the toggle to the right so it lights up in green. And now this conversation is pinned to the top of your chats. I hope this video helped you on how to bring a chat to the top on TikTok. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here to learn another cool tip with TikTok.